Hello, creative people! Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to recreate something I saw on the internet and thought was really cool: how to fix the bristles of a brush that are all splayed. If you liked today's topic, leave a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new content. The video I saw fixed the bristles of a brush with hot water. Well, actually, warm water. Let's see if that actually works. So let's do it here together. Follow along. If it's true, it's going to help watercolor painters a lot. And I hope it is. What I saw was this: we can fix the bristles of a brush that is already defective, either from a lack of cleaning or because it was stored incorrectly, and we're gonna make it get back that fine point we love so much, simply by placing the tip of the brush, the bristles, in warm water. So let's do this together. I have here a brush with completely frayed bristles. It looks horrible, not from a lack of cleaning, but actually from a lack of use. So here we go. This brush here is a large brush that I rarely use. Let's count to about 30 seconds. Well, it's out of the water, I dried it, and it really does look like it has a fine point again. Let's try with this one, which is a brush I use a lot. It's my blended bristle brush. It has both synthetic and natural bristles, and it's quite splayed just from use from old age. Let's go, 30 seconds. And look at that, didn't the bristles get a nice fine point again? Will it still have these enviable bristles after it's completely dry? Now a brush with fully synthetic bristles. My fear was that the synthetic bristles would curl with the warm water. You can see I placed a Chamorro right next to it. That's because I set the water to the temperature you drink Chamorro, around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. At least that's how I drink it. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. To see if the synthetic bristles would curl. But no, look how cool. It turned out great. Keep in mind, the brush here is already clean. It was just completely splayed. Look how perfect it turned out. Wow! I also did this with a natural bristle brush, Russian squirrel hair, and it didn't curl either. All these brushes here that I'm showing have already been treated. We have here a blended bristle brush, natural sable hair, that Russian squirrel, which is hard to pronounce, petite gris, and synthetic bristles. They were all treated and, guys, it worked. I recommend it. I can guarantee that after drying, they stayed the exact same way. Beautiful, perfect for painting and starting a new watercolor. So hurry up. Do this to yours. I hope you enjoyed the tip. If you liked it, share it, comment if it worked for you, and subscribe to the channel. And we have new videos here every week for you. Take care. Bye.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.